it's just too much of a pain. And so he moved my chairs out of the way, blocking my stairs, and put 2 pumpkins at my door. And my girlfriend was like, "What do I do?" It was like just a lineup of kids at my door, and I was just like, "Really? You're gonna do this?" And so yeah, it was a good joke. I'll get him back though.
Not too many one-shots on the enemy team.
No.
Good job, Panzer 3. Also player right there.
What was that?
Panzer 3.
No. Yeah, he just went, like, lagged out there. He's weird.
I'm gonna try. Yep.
Well, there's that.
Try and squeeze past you. Ooh.
Ooh.
Do you want to tempt fate, M2? I know you
That
will.
M2 wants you desperately. He's not even looking away.
That was more of a Hail Mary than anything.
Oh, and then you run right in front of my shots.
Oh, I did.
I don't think I would have hit him where I was aiming anyway.
Oh!
Don't ram. Oh, I set him on fire.
Oh my god, I love you. You missed.
Enemy vehicle destroyed.
Alright, where's the last little guy? He was over here somewhere, wasn't he? Yep. Gonna kill him or what?
Yeah, why not?
Another one like that should finish them. That one didn't go through. Got him.
Too slow.
Did you still there?
Yeah, I'm still here.
You want to platoon in a few moments?
Sure,